Yes, my peoples, how are we doing? So, it's your boy Rubes back with another video for you, okay? But this time, we're gonna be making more food, but something different. This is called Bizzle'sBurrito, all right? Get to know. This is one of the best things that you're ever gonna try. This is a highly requested recipe that I'm gonna be doing for you guys today, okay? So make sure you stay tuned, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe now.
Ay, coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10 again,
Let me take you through all the ingredients which I'm gonna be using for Bizzle's burritos. Firstly, you need some mince because it is a beef burrito. I have pre-prepped all my ingredients for this recipe, so make sure you do the same. Anyways, we have some beef mince, we have some tomatoes on deck, we have some cheese on deck, we have some onions on deck, we have some lettuce, we have some avocados, we have some wraps, which is obviously the most important part because you're going to be wrapping everything all together. Some salsa, some sour cream, we have some black beans, we have some rice to chuck in the burrito too, some sriracha chili sauce. Make sure that you get all these ingredients ready for when you make your Bizzle burrito. So first stage is getting the mince. I'm going to use Fry Light, which is a 1-calorie spray. So this is a healthy version of oils and butters. So I'm going to put in about 10 sprays, maybe less, maybe more, thereabouts. Okay, cool. Gonna get my beef after I've switched on the stove. So we're chucking in the mince. Break it up so it can cook evenly. Very important, people. Season your food. Any meats, you can season it just to get that extra flavor in there, all right? Salt, pepper, steak seasoning, barbecue seasoning, chicken seasoning, it all goes in there. Because all the meat has changed to a nice browny color, we're now gonna add our onions in there, again to complement the mince. Right, our mince and onions are nearly done. So now I'm gonna add my black beans to a saucepan just to heat it up, make it nice. So you want a low to medium heat. I'm gonna empty this packet into saucepan. Again, this is nice and high in protein. So after your mince is done, after your black beans are done, there's not much else to prepare because you've already prepared all the minor ingredients. So now we're just gonna put our rice into the microwave for 2 minutes. Again, you can make your own rice if you want, but me, I'm lazy, you see, so I'm gonna buy my own rice and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Right, everything is now complete. My mince, my beans, my rice, all the side stuff. I have my wrap here. Let's make the burrito. Right, so placing your burrito down, I would then add in some of my mince, okay? You need to remember, you're gonna be wrapping it like a burrito. So you wanna leave some space to wrap. Make it nice and thick, nice and juicy.
Juicy.
Okay, then gonna add some beans. So remember, beans going on. Then we're gonna go rice next. So placing the rice on now. And then we're gonna go a bit of cheese first. Because it's nice and hot, it can melt in between. And then we're gonna go guacamole. So a little bit there, spread it across. Tomatoes next. So just a handful, small little pinch. And then we're gonna go lettuce. So chucking your lettuce. This is a big burrito. The challenge now, peoples, is for me to wrap this burrito. Again, we have little extra bits, like we have some salsa, we have some sriracha, and we also have some sour cream, okay? So whichever other flavors you'd like to put on, feel free to go for it. Fold in both sides. That is the key. Again, you wanna make sure it's tucked in nice and tight so nothing falls out. Spin that round. We're gonna be folding that round. Again, tucking it in tight so nothing falls out. Folding that round. Folding it round. Folding it round. Nice. Boom. Burrito complete. Now, Reuben special. Gonna take it over to the stove. You're gonna chuck it in the pan on the side where it's folded. Right. Keep flipping it. See, look at that. Beautiful. Done. So once that's done on there for a couple minutes. Oh! That is hot. Once that's on there done for a couple minutes. Excuse my scream. Gonna grab one of my favorite sauces. Gonna give it a bit of a shake. And then gonna make it look all pretty. And then this is the moment of truth. Get my knife. Gonna cut my baby in half. And then we're gonna put it apart for you guys. Yes, peoples, you have just seen Bizzle's burrito recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was one of my favorites, one of my top recipes so far. It was highly requested. If you guys have any suggestions, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I can do anything. Anything you want me to cook, I can do. Even if it's a 3-course meal, I'll do it. But yes, this is me, my burrito recipe. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you like this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.
Big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming.